Today topic 2 May. May 2 is this day all the famous people who are born. May 2, 1729 Catherine II of Russian. 1772 Nobelisa, German author and poet. 1816 Theodore Herzl, a Jesuit journalist and writer from Austria-Hungary. 1901 Bob Watt, English cricketer. May 2, 1921 Satyajit Roy, Bengali writer, musician, painter and film director. 1928 Faiz Ahmed, eminent journalist, writer and politician of Bangladesh. 1929 Adro Balladur, former Prime Minister of France. 1929 Jigme Darji Okchuk becomes the third Dracula king. May 2, 1931 Pulag Bandyopadhyay is a renowned Indian Bengali lyricist and composer. 1935 Faisal II, Iraq's third and final king. 1939 Sumio Lijama, Japanese physicist, is often remembered for his discovery of carbon nanotubes. 1942 Jacques Rogge, Belgian sport official. May 2, 1958 David O'Leary, Irish professional footballer, player and manager. 1916 Stephen Daldry, English director and producer. 1969 Brian Lara, Trinidadian cricketer. 1972 Dwayne Johnson, American Canadian actor, producer and professional wrestler. May 2, 1975 David Beckham, English footballer. 1982 Johan Botha, South African cricketer. 1996 Julian Bird, German footballer. 2015 the youngest and only daughter of Princess Charlotte of Cambrian, Prince William, Duke of Cambridge and Catherine, Duchess of Cambridge. May 2 is this day all that celebrity has died. May 2, 1519 Leonardo da Vinci, time honored painter of the Italian Renaissance. 1806 Prafulla Chakki is a revolutionary in the anti-British independence struggle in the Indian subcontinent. 1957 Joseph M.C. Guthrie, American politician. 1957 Joseph M.C. Guthrie, American politician. 1972 J. Edgar Hoover, the first director of the US FBI and US law enforcement officer. 1977 Mohammad Khatun Siddiq, Bengali poet. May 2, 1979, Giulia Netta, Italian chemist. 1980, Calary Grement, famous Australian cricketer. 1999, Oliver Reed, English actor. 2010, Lion Redgrave, English American actor and singer. 2011, Osama bin Laden, terrorist guerrilla father and founder of Al Qaeda. May 2 is this day all those special events happened. May 2, 1112 on this day in history. Chinese astronomers noticed the existence of a black gaseous object inside the sun. 1945, Soviet troops occupy Berlin. On this historic day, Berlin is the capital of Germany and a historic city on the continent of Europe. The city of Berlin is home to more than 3.4 million people. May 2, 1945, about 1 million German troops in Italy surrendered unconditionally on this historic day. 1964, on this day in history, the USS Card sinks a US naval ship at the Trough of Singon. 1972, Colombia, Costa Rica and Venezuela are the first South American countries to recognize Bangladesh as an independent state. May 2 holidays have not any holidays. Thank you everyone watching for my video. Subscribe and click the bell button to get new video and like, comment, share with your friend. Thank you.